Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a while. It has been such a long while, but I am back this time and I promise you, because I know it's been like what, 7 months under my last video. I know that's kind of pushing it. You might hear a bit of background noise. Just ignore that because I have the fan running because this place is way too hot. But yes, judging from the title, you guys can tell. So a year ago, I decided that I was gonna move back home to Guyana. I know a lot of people are like, why are you leaving the UK and come back to Guyana? It's like, yeah, why? But I have my own personal reasons, own personal goals. I wanted to come back. Don't worry, I didn't get deported or anything like that. So yes, I just wanted a change of pace, change of scenery, and I just wanted to do something more. So there's certain goals I want to accomplish in life, and I will probably do next video and we're gonna have a discussion and share. But yes, so for the past year it has been so chaotic. Oh my gosh, guys, and I hope you guys have missed me. But yes, it has been so crazy. Like, yes, we are in a panorama, a pandemic, Panasonic, whatever you want to call it. People on social media will get the references, but yes, and that has not even been the only thing that's going on. So over the past year, I have had to move 3 times, not one, not two, but 3 whole times. So anyone who has moved knows how crazy that is, and that has taken a toll on your boy. And so it's been very hard to film these videos because of that. Not even just that. So I've had stuff stolen. Then when it comes time to filming, the lighting is so bad, so I had to invest and get some lights and get some equipment so I can get back to my channel, because I've missed you guys so much, and I know that you guys have missed me because I've seen all the messages, all the inboxes, all the DMs. I've had calls, all sorts of stuff going on. It's like, where are the videos? Where have you been? What is taking you so long? And it's like, yeah, those deep sighs, those deep, crazy sighs, because it's been so chaotic. And then I wanted to do like lots of vlogging while I was here, because I want to show you guys the place, show you guys the space, and let you guys know what's going on. And then in come Dirty Gal Rona, just coming rolling through to mash up the place. And it's like, yeah, and I wanted to be responsible. So I didn't want to be up and down the place, like some people, not judging, but judging, like some people. So I took a break, took a step back, went through so much. We had elections, and anyone who's, some of you probably don't know, elections is crazy in this country. So there was like a whole lot of election drama, plus with a pandemic, plus having to move back and forth because of so much like stuff that's been going on in the background. The boy has not had the time to video, nor had the time to do anything in which I want to. I kind of lost motivation for a while for cooking, and I just lost motivation doing certain stuff. So my focus kind of changed, even though for this channel, cooking was not my main goal for it. There are other things and other creative content I would like to bring for you guys, so please expect that now that I am getting back centered. But yes, but Guyana's also been amazing. So it's been super warm or hot, and for, okay, let's take a break here. For people who live in cold climates, like, because the UK, we don't get, like, it's not really that hot. Even during the summer, when you come here, oh my gosh, the heat is lovely, but some days you feel like you are melting. I have been glued to the fan, AC, rags, because I have been sweating like crazy. Oh my gosh, it has been hot, but piece of snow. it beats the snow. So for all of you who have been stuck in the snow during this period of time, I know it has been snowing in the UK. For those of you in other countries that have been snowing, I don't miss it. I send you my love, my gratitude, well, whatever I can send, but I have been warm. I have been completely warm. My body, my skin has been touched by the beautiful breeze, warm rains, and it has been lovely. So I definitely do not miss the weather, but it has been so good for me. As you can see, I'm happy. And obviously I've been eating well. Look at these cheeks, they're so rosy at the moment. But yes, so there's so much that I want to bring back to you guys, and just want to give you guys just a quick update on where I have been and what's been happening. So please do not think I have forgotten you. So I'm gonna start back filming, and I'm gonna start having these videos up soon. I'm gonna have a lot more creative content. So I've done a bit of traveling. So I think I'm gonna put together a little video so you guys can see the place and see what it's like. For all of you who have questions of what it's like moving back or moving to a completely different country, I think we're gonna do a discussion on that. So for all of you who are like me, trying to step out and want to move to a whole new different country, I'll go over tell you from my experience what it's like, all the craziness, items I wish I had brought with me, some I wish I had left, and certain things I wish I had known what to do. But yes, so I hope you guys are ready for this ride, because 2021 is going to be a great year with all of us together. So before we go, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel so that you'll get a lot more wonderful and crazy updates, and we're gonna go on this journey together. So bye.